Yo, what is going on, guys? So if you're searching for FC Mobile redeem codes and how to get free coins in FC Mobile, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go ahead and do that, guys. I was searching this morning for some working FC Mobile redeem codes, and I've managed to find probably the best ones. And like I said, guys, this is going to allow you to get 1 million free coins. You can also get 20,000 free points and gems in FC Mobile. Super easy, and this is going to save you a lot of money, guys, because the in-app purchases are really expensive and not everyone can afford them. So basically, guys, I've been using my mobile phone to do this process, so I recommend you do the same. Doesn't matter which phone you have, you of course need an internet connection. And yeah, I've been searching for these FC Mobile redeem codes, and I'm going to show you the best ones. So you need to open up the internet and go to Cold Coupons. So type it like this, guys: www.coldcoupons.com. So very important, you go directly to this website. This is an awesome site having tons of different pages on here. Go to the search bar at the top, search for FC Mobile, and it should pop up EA Sports FC Mobile. You can see there's 2 currently available and verified coupons. Scroll down and let's see what we can get. As I mentioned, you can get 20,000 free points and gems in FC Mobile. And this is the FC Mobile redeem code that I'm focusing on in this video. It's 1 million free coins. So you can see these are verified and highly rated. Sorry about my cough, guys. Click on Get Code. And this basically confirms your choice. Look how highly rated this code is, and it's being used today by 53 people so far. So click on Show Full Code. This is going to look for a verified and working redeem code for you, and this is of course going to give you 1 million free coins in FC Mobile. So you're going to see this where it says your coupon code is ready, and it says your code will be revealed in the box below after verification, and you can see the coupon code is locked. So you need to unlock your FC Mobile redeem code, guys. This prevents people from stealing all of these limited codes. So click on Get Full Code, and you're now going to see this code unlocker, and it says complete 2 of the free tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions for each. So I have a list of free tasks. You may see slightly different ones, but they're always going to be free, and they do only take a few minutes each to complete. So these can be things like free surveys. This one here, you have to click on it, answer the questions, and fill in your valid email. Very important, if you choose a survey, you have to put in your correct info. And you can see there is a description, tells you what you need to do below each task. So this one, CleanFox, it says install, open and register an account. So this is basically a free app where you download it from the App Store and just create a free account. Basically, guys, it takes about 5 minutes, but once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons. I've already done it, and of course these codes are limited to 1 per person, so yeah. But it'll say unlocked, and it'll reveal your code, and you can redeem it in the FC Mobile game or website, and it's going to credit your FC Mobile account 1 million free coins. Alternatively, you can of course get your free gems and points as well. So all you need to do, guys, is go to Cold Coupons, and when you reach this page, just find the FC Mobile redeem codes page. And yeah, if there's 2 different codes to choose from, both gonna save you tons of money. So enjoy, guys. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead, smash the like button. This is gonna save you a ton of time. So put down Google, pick up your mobile phone, and just follow the instructions I've showed you. Enjoy. Peace out.